How to get a background for your note on Google Keep Notes. So hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to get a beautiful background like this to your note. So all what you have to do is write a note. For example, I'm going to write financial wall, financial wall. This is the name of our channel. Now if you want to add the background, all what you have to do is go here down below and click on this icon. Now right here you will find many templates. Choose one and here you go. Now it's added. I'm gonna write anything. Let's go out, and as you can see, here is the background. And if you want to change it, just click again and choose the one that you want. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.